If you can't speak English, if you can't understand English, so this video for you. Listen one thing carefully before start the video. You have to see full video because I will give you very awesome tips. Definitely these tips will improve your English communication skill, your English understanding power, because some people suffering if his boss say something in English, or his boss give some task in English, or any student if teacher teach anything from English, so they not understand what he said, what the boss said. So this is a general thing, so don't worry about that, because in this video I am going to give some tips how to improve your English communication skill, your understanding level of English. So these tips will give definitely worth. So first tip is please listen carefully before your boss speaking. Take one long breath before your teachers start his lesson. Take long breath and leave it. Then after, focus on your boss mouth, focus on your teacher mouth. When he says something, you have to listen first carefully. What exact he said, what exact he said about any task, about any word. Then after, think what exact this word, what exact this sentence. This thing automatically give you more improvement of your English understanding. This one is the first tips for you. Then after, if you struggle to understand was English, so you have to read or understand the corporate English vocabulary. If you seen the Amazon and Flipkart, so many books available of the corporate English vocabulary. So you have to learn words from these books. So this book definitely give you worth, and then after you can easily understand English of your boss. Same thing for the student. If any student struggle, what exact his her boss said and learn, teach. So don't worry about that. So you have to purchase one book about the verbs, because verb has three, three forms: S1, S2 and S3, like V1, V2, V3. You have to read loudly in your house, you have to read in front of the mirror. This thing definitely give you lot of benefit. That way you can improve your English communication skill, your English understanding level. Okay, this is the second tips. Now third tips: listen YouTube podcast, listen movies, English movies. Like a English movie means like a cartoon English movie, like a Beam cartoon. But I will give you one tip. When you start the Beam cartoon, then if you use YouTube, on the YouTube there will be one option like speed of the speech speed. So you have to decrease this speed. Then your cartoon will speak slowly. When you starting listen the cartoon, so you have to write sentence word from this the cartoon, what exact Beam said, what exact Dolu said. So that way you can improve your English communication skill. Because if you haven't any material, so don't worry, every home has like an Android phone is available. So in the phone you have to just install the chat gtp, Gemini, Grok, anything you can install about the AI. So many are in the market. So you have to install first the chat gtp. In the chat gtp you have to write word and give the command what is the meaning of this word, what is the meaning of this sentence. These things definitely give you exact meaning of this word. You have to read carefully, understand carefully. If even you not understand what exact ChatGPT give us, then you have to convert in your native language. Then automatically you will understand. Try to understand line by line, word by word, line by line, word by word. That way you can improve your English communication very fast way. So this is the third tips. For one, at least you know, at least you have to know basic English grammar rules. Now I'm going to tell you the one sentence. Do you have a apple? Do you have a apple? This sentence is correct? No, this sentence is not correct. Why? Because there is one small mistake. What I use in this sentence? I use apple. This apple word start from A. What is A? A is alphabet, but A is also vowel. Do you know what vowels? A, I, O, U, E. These are vowels. Okay. So there will be one grammar rule in the English. Before use vowels, you have to use an. Okay. So this is very basic rule of a English grammar. So please focus on these things. You know, at least basic grammar like simple tense, simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. What is the exact pronoun? What is the prepositions? What is the module auxiliary verb? What is the tense? What is the subject? What is the verb? What is the adjective? What is the object in this sentence? So these are very basic things. At least you know that, because without rule, if you go to play cricket in the net, before that your coach tell you rules about this game. If you know rules very well, you can play very better. So before start English communication, before start English writing, so at least you know basic rules. That way you can improve your English communication skills. So these are today's tips. If you like this video, please comment and share, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.